come forward. Talk to me. Why are your children not with you?
Need to find housing. At the time, I had just had my seventh child.
Your seventh child?
Yes, ma'am. Everything's okay. I visit with them once a week.
Okay, so no, that's not okay. You don't have your children. They're in foster care. How old is your oldest child?
She's 10.
You have 7 children, 10 and under?
Yes, ma'am.
Are there multiples?
They're all a year apart.
Is there a father involved?
No, ma'am.
How old are you, ma'am?
I'm 34.
You're 34.
Yes.
That presumably means you're still fertile. Can we avoid having any more children until we can get our life straight?
My life is good.
What you're not going to do is lie to me, because you got 2 cases pending before me. So no, ma'am, you're in a green jumpsuit. Your life is not good. Your children are with somebody else in foster care. Your life is not good. So let's not gloss over what's going on. Are we sure there's no mental health issues?
I can't speak absolutely to that.
My fear is for the children at this point. The last thing I want is for you to have more babies for somebody else to take care of. Are we clear? Because that's not fair. If you have the babies, but then they go to somebody else for them to take care of, if you have siblings, they should be raised together. But if you got 7 kids, it is hard to keep 7 kids together. Imagine what your 10-year-old must be thinking, like, I'm in foster care. I got all these siblings. I'm the oldest one. I don't have my mama. She sees me once a week, if possible. But you've been in jail, so you haven't seen him since you've been in here. Ooh, Miss Johnson, I wish I knew.
Okay.
I do know that condoms are cheaper than child support or child care, and you don't have to keep having babies. Let's start there.
Yes.
Can we commit to not having more babies right now?
Yes.
I mean, babies are a blessing, but that's if you can take care of them and make their lives good. You're not doing that. You're just having them, but you're not blessing them with a good life. You get me? But when you keep telling me life is good, everything is good, but you don't have your children, they're in defects, you see them once a week, you got 2 battery cases in front of me, that's not a good life. Stop telling me what you think sounds good and talk to me straight up. When was the last time you had a job?
I do hair.
What you do to it?
I do braiding. I mobilely travel to the clients or they come over.
So you're a kitchen beautician. Do you have a license?
Would you say license?
Yes, ma'am.
Beautician's license. No.
Then you just catching as catch can. You're telling me what you think makes it sound good, but you are 34 with 7 kids and your kids are in foster care. It doesn't sound like you plan to reunite with your children. We clear?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Please don't have no more children. And I don't care if people say it's bad. I don't care what people say. Don't have any more children that you can't take care of.